Baby. The radio station almost kaofela. Butsweding, Josie, Lisady.
Wow.
Babuakare, Bararaika province. But you see, this is the time I was telling you about. This is what's going to happen. Now it's happening, baby. Everybody's talking about Asmo province.
But baby, Anna says Rapurian with Abuela Masiling. And a ruri felara hopola.
Come on, baby. I know. No, I know you miss me and Misa, but you know what? This is just temporary, my love. Nah? Once the elections are over, I'll be back home. And when you will be? The first lady of the province. Vela, baby, I'm telling you, first lady. Yes, can I call you back?
Inelema.
Mike.
Lazama happy.
I don't know. Then I think I have to take this outside. Huh?
Oh.
Sandra, we're free.
What is it, Fred?
Did you get my gift?
What gift?
Come now, check your pockets. Do you like it?
Bantakwethu bonke abantu abasemagwinyeni babuthakathaka ndiyanixelela abayicingi into yokuba bangabhaqwa babanze.
Yes, Fred. Yes.
Hi, darling. You alright?
Fine.
Dessert is ready.
Wow. Baby. For this pink shirt, money gets over if you look at it in a little so mizianas. Yeah, but I'm not going to the feather was, man. I mean, I'm a comrade, eh? I think I must wear something blue. Blue, baby.
Okay.
Oh, yes.
How did you wear them?
Can you beret?
How about that? This is a little beret.
Yes.
Baby, kana Marta argas labo. But ke gona motho se montšha wa mo lapeng.
No, that's fine. You can handle that, baby. Today I'll be so busy. I mean, from Kalamobara, from Bara, from college.
Wow, that's going to be a rough day for you.
Very, very, very busy.
Tima.
Mike.
Okay, take you check on Frida.
I can't talk now.
Too busy to answer my SMSs. You said someone from YNTP will call me. It's been days now. You don't know now?
Yeah, but Bona, like I said it. Somebody who took a phone from office. We are busy on the campaign. Man. Elections are in 2 weeks' time.
Fine, Jakumbula got I was not on Bona. Utoyantanda. Okay, so bad.
Look, I've got to go.
Whatever. And then go to la shit, you think. The way we I work, I finally do. Won't you feel?
Sama.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Have a good day, baby. Enjoy.
No, I'm hoping I'm going to
Frida, Wednesday.
That night, go in, Gidile, Sharpo, Hobam Nati, Senkavaya. Next thing I'm phoning.
On phone it. No famous. So phone it. Can I feel like I didn't?
Famous. She calls me Kilokun. Can I let me throw? The next thing like a shirt. I psycho.
Man, I never ate talent to fit. Utat like I mucho, because whatever media was wrong, and I'm not talking go in a country.
Yeah, but your what's wrong with against psycho.
That's my king. I'm not in cheers, it's a deciding. It will stress, it will mess up and on down. The most important thing is transfer focus on campaigning. So people stress can to say so. I never win. I'm fine. So relax, I'm fine. You don't feel mess up on the
Comrades, today, at least we are continuing to show the power that we have. We are continuing. We are continuing to take over the province, comrades. Yeah. Nationally, comrades, and I think we are here and we continue, comrades, to fight. Amandla, comrades. What's wrong?
Some other girl niggas lentole atingnikeza.
She write it for me?
Like seriously, Baba. Ulingana nami. Mncane. Ngitshela ukuthi uzoba stepmother sami.
Stepmother?
Iqiniso lokho?
No, uyahlanya man.
Yazo ngiphatha ngambaba ngalezi zami izandla.
No, don't worry my girl. She's mad. Wahla. Ne?
Yazo abantu bathanda bo sugar daddy ngibathanda.
No, it's nonsense. Bula ke. Come look. When? Please, just stay away from my family. Man. Please stay away from my family. You don't even know me. Let's just get this straight, You must get it through your thick skull. All we had between me and you was sex. Get it through your thick skull. Sex! Okay? And stay away from my family. That's it. Baby! What the hell?
Morning, honey. What's up? Provincia. Bona Frida, wa kopela ke bolela gore re hloka motho se montlong. Ke hirile Frida. Isn't she cute?
She is.
Tata down. Ndiyavuya ukwazi. Ndibe kakhulu ngawe lona.
But listen, Moana, you little bitch. There is no job here. I want you out of my house.
Out where? And go where? After that, nyaka oyenzile umsebenzi una anangijob ngenxa yakho kaloku. Cela undinike umsebenzi andiyi ndawo.
My party is about to win elections, and I'm not going to ruin that kabakala how.
Baby, divorce mfazi. Nazoba first lady kaloku anytime.
Divorce my wife for you. Watseno ne? Wahlanya. All I want from you is I want you to go. You must. Baby. Baby, please. Can we talk about this?
Ke ene fela mosetsana o robatla nene go tsona le ba bang. Ke go ba gore mpolele. Ke ene fela go na le ba bang.
Go na le ba bang.
Wareng sis, ha ke khutla no re. O batla gore ke lwale. O itshara ha ke setse ke sule ngwana wa ka o tla tlhokomela ke mang? He tis. O tla tlhokomela ke diakatse tsa gago tse. He tis. Ke tsone di tse le di dance. Tis, o itse ha o notla. O no se mokana. I made you who you are. Go ntirela magago tisa ba setsana ba gago mo ga ka. O robala nene le bona mo bolaong ba. He tis. Ke go batla go o tsole mo ntlonyane. Wa nkutlo. Ha o se yo mo ntlong ya me. La ponchisa mo khabo wa gago. Ke a re ha ke batle go tla sepe ka wena. ke kopa dikhiya tsa go bega.
Bona, this is just a misunderstanding.
Yo, zihlobo zam, lumkelani izithembiso enizenzayo ngoba ngenye imini zingaphumelela. Uyabona, uThuso Tawu wathembisa uFrida umsebenzi. Wawufumana uFrida ekugqibeleni. Abantu bayalibala ukuba umtshato sisithembiso esikhulu. Xa sophula isithembiso siye silahlekelwe bubuntu bethu. uThuso uye wophula isithembiso esibalulekileyo.
What do you want?
Ndifuna ulungise izinto.
What things right? Huh?
Hayi kaloku Thuso. Uzinyanzele kaloku kum and ndinobungqina. If awufuni ubhantshintsha entshilongweni bomi bakho bonke for i-rape, ungixelele.
Wena. Usikhathi ongihlanyetsa wena. Umphila ke no batla msebenzi.
Mamela apha wena, ndinobungqina. Eva? So mamela ndithi kuwe, if awurhoxa esikhundleni se-YNDP, zayokubambisa for i-rape. Hey, awundazi. Bye.
Washaya.
You did great, Wanyana. You know, I'm proud of you. Once I become the president of the party, we'll go places near you. Come here.
Amanda. Comrades, I know that I have failed you. But my personal failings should not be the failures of the organization. The movement must go on. The struggle must continue. Therefore, I'm here today to hand over to my friend here, Comrade Mike Lechaba, to be your new leader and take YNDP to the new heights.
Much as nazi ukuthi ngazalelwa kule community ngafunda khona la.
Wonke umuntu wayecinga ukuba uThuso Tawu wayenekamva eliqaqambileyo nesakhono sokuba yinkulu-mbuso yezwe. Akukho nabani owaziyo ukuba kwenzeka ntoni na ngoba uThuso waba ngomnye waloo madoda. Mhlawumbi uMike uza kuthatha isikhundla. Lumkelani zihlobo. Abaninzi babesithi uThuso Tawu wathembisa ngekamva eliqaqambileyo. Kodwa iwonga lamenza wanyoluka. Ukunyoluka kwamenza isidenge. Wophula isithembiso esibalulekileyo. Hayi ebantwini. Hayi kunkosikazi wakhe qha. Kodwa isithembiso usophulele yena. Walahlekelwa into yonke. Endaweni yokukhokhela ilizwe aliphumeze emajukujukwini wazixhoma ngentambo yakhe.